Right, in this video we're going to be looking at the area of a semicircle and the area of a quadrant, and the formulas for these are quite simple. So the area of a semicircle is going to be equal to half times pi r squared, which is the same as 1 over 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r squared. Okay, in algebra we kind of abbreviate the multiplication by ignoring it and putting the pronumeral right next to a constant. Alright, for a quadrant, it's very simply going to be 1 over 4 multiplied by pi multiplied by r squared. So you can see it's pretty intuitive. A semicircle is half of a circle, so we use the formula for a circle, the area of a circle, and then we divide it by 2. We use the formula for the area of a circle and divide by 4 for a quadrant. Alright, let's get started with A. So for A, it's typical they give you the diameter for semicircles. So our diameter is equal to 20 centimeters. That means our radius is equal to 10 centimeters. So our area is going to be equal to pi times 10 squared all over 2. So we just put that into our calculator and our area will be equal to pi times 10 squared, which is just 100. Hit execute, and then you can take the answer and divide it by 2 and you'll get your final result. So in the beginning we got 100 times pi, and then after dividing it by 2 we got 50 times pi, which is equal to 157.07. Now because we're going to round to one decimal place, we're just going to do 157.1. And that'll be centimeters squared. Looking at B, exactly the same thing. The diameter is equal to 10, therefore the radius is equal to 5 meters. Now, after that, our area is going to be equal to pi multiplied by 5 squared all over 2. So our area is going to be equal to pi times 25 divided by 2. So we can do pi multiplied by 25 and then hit execute and then take our answer and divide by 2. Alright, and the result is 39.26. We're only interested in the first decimal place, so it's 39.3. Another thing you can do for these questions is to recognize that dividing by 2 and multiplying by a half are the same thing, and the decimal equivalent of a half is 0.5. So you could have done 0.5 multiplied by pi multiplied by our radius squared, which is going to be 25, and hit execute, and you would get the exact same answer. This is often an easier way to do it and results in doing it in one step on your calculator. So the result is 39.3. And this is meters squared. Alright, now let's look at the area of a quadrant. So the area of a quadrant is equal to 1 over 4, and 1 over 4 is also the same as 0.25. So 1 over 4 times pi times our radius squared. So for our first one, our radius is equal to 8 millimeters. So the area will be equal to 0.25 multiplied by pi multiplied by 8 squared. So we can put that into our calculator. .25 multiplied by pi multiplied by 8 squared, hit execute, and the result is going to be 50.3. 50.3, and our units here were millimeters, so this is going to be millimeters squared. Alright, next up we have D. So our area is going to be equal to 0.25 because it's a quadrant, multiplied by pi, multiplied by our radius, which is 3 squared. So our area is going to be equal to 0.25 times pi times 3 squared. 0.25 times pi times 3 squared. Hit execute. You get 7.06. Round that to one decimal place is 7.1. And this is in meters squared. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.